this video, we'll discuss about the basics of Python programming. Programming means giving instruction to a computer so that it can perform tasks for us. But computer don't understand human language like English or even programming languages like Python directly. They only understand machine language that is in the form of 0 and 1. There is a code on the right side of the diagram. On the right, you see the Python logo. This represents the code written by the programmer. For example, print hello world. This is a simple instruction in a Python, but this is still in high level language that is easy for human, not for machine. Then there is a translator at the middle of the diagram. In the center, we have a translator. This translator can be either a compiler or an interpreter. A compiler translates the entire code at once into machine language before execution. For example, in C, C++. An interpreter translates the code line by line while running. For example, Python or JavaScript. Without this translator, the computer cannot understand our instruction, and there is a machine on the left hand side. On the left, you see the computer image. After translation, the machine receives instruction in binary form, that is in the form of 0 and 1s, which it can understand and execute. This is how your Python code finally gets executed on the computer. Let's see how code works. Print, and in the double quotes, write down hello world. Then after the execution of this code, the output is hello world. Print is a function that displays the as it is message onto the screen. Anything written within double quotes, print function will display as it is onto the screen. Then after that, what is Python? Python is one of the most popular programming language in the world today. It is widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and even in automation. Let's see why Python is so special. Python is very simple and easy language. Python syntax is very close to the English language. For example, if I want to print a message, I just write print hello. This makes Python beginner friendly and easy to understand. Then next is free and open source. Python is completely free to download and use. Being open source means anyone can see its source code, contribute to it, and improve it. That's why there is a huge global community that support Python. Then next is a high level language. Python is a high level language. This means we don't need to worry about complex details like memory management or hardware instruction. We just write simple code and Python handles the low level details internally. Next is Python is developed by Guido van Rossum. Python was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer. Since then, it has grown into one of the most widely used programming language. Then next is the portable. Python is portable, which means the same Python code can run on different operating systems like Windows, Mac, or Linux without any change. In simple language, we can say write once, run everywhere. Next is our first program, print hello world. It is the first program we usually write in any programming language called the hello world program. In this program, print is a built-in function in Python. Its job is to display output on the screen. So text always written within the double quotes. Hello world is a string, a sequence of characters written inside the quotes. Python will show exactly what we write inside the quotes, and after the execution of this code, the output hello world will be printed onto the screen. Let's see the execution of this code. Print hello world. After the execution of this statement, hello world will be printed onto the screen. Whatever is inside the quotes will appear in the output. If you change the text inside quotes, the output will also change. For example, print hello Python. Now after the execution of this code, the output is hello Python. Let's see another example. We can also print numbers with the help of print function. If we write print 100, this statement print 100 onto the screen. If we write print 25 plus 75, after the execution of this statement, the output is 100, 25 plus 75. Python can print number directly, and it can also calculate expressions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We can also print text with the help of print function. Welcome to Python. Anything written within double quotes, print will display as it is onto the screen. Text inside double quotes is called a string. Python show it exactly as written. With the help of print function, we can also printing multiple values together. For example, print my age is 37. After the execution of this statement, the output is my age is 37. We can use comma inside print function to show multiple values together. The print function is very flexible. It can print numbers, text, result of calculations, and even multiple things together. We can also format the output using special characters like /n for new line and /t is for spacing. For example, print hello, then /n world. Now after the execution of this statement, hello is to be printed on the first line, then /n transfer the control to the next line, and in the next line world will be printed. In the next video, we'll discuss about the variables and character set in Python.